Pakistan, a land of towering mountains and sweeping deserts. This country, often known for its bustling cities and rich cultural heritage, also harbors some of the most breathtaking natural landscapes in the world. From the snow-capped peaks of the north to the arid deserts of the south, Pakistan is a land of diverse and dramatic contrasts. In its southwestern corner lies a district, often overlooked but full of wonder. This region, though not as famous as the northern areas, holds its own unique charm and beauty. It is a place where the landscape tells a story of ancient geological processes and timeless natural beauty. This is Chagai, a place of stark beauty and untold riches. The district of Chagai is not just a geographical location, it is a testament to the raw and unfiltered beauty of nature. Here the land is both harsh and inviting, a paradox that draws in the curious and the adventurous. Chagai is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. Its landscapes are like a well-kept secret, known only to those who dare to venture off the beaten path. The district offers a sense of solitude and peace, a rare find in today's fast-paced world. Chagai is a land of extremes. From scorching deserts to cool mountain breezes, the region is a study in contrasts. These extremes are not just in the climate, but also in the terrain, which ranges from flat plains to rugged mountains. Towering mountains pierce the sky. These mountains are not just physical barriers, but also symbols of the indomitable spirit of the land. They stand tall and proud, a reminder of the Earth's ancient past and its ever-changing future. Vast plains stretch as far as the eye can see. These plains are like a blank canvas, offering endless possibilities for exploration and discovery. They are a testament to the vastness and diversity of the region. This is a place where nature reigns supreme. In Chagai, nature is the ultimate ruler, shaping the land and the lives of those who inhabit it. The natural beauty of the region is both awe-inspiring and humbling. It is a place where the human spirit is tested. The challenging terrain and harsh climate push the limits of human endurance, making it a true test of resilience and determination. Those who live here have a deep connection to the land, forged through years of adaptation and survival. This is Chagai, a land of contrasts. The district is a microcosm of the larger world with its diverse landscapes and climates. It is a place where opposites coexist, creating a unique and dynamic environment and a land of immense importance. Chagai is not just a beautiful place, it is also a region of great significance. Its natural resources and strategic location make it a key area for both Pakistan and the world. The district's rich history and cultural heritage add to its importance, making it a true hidden gem in every sense of the word. The Chagai Hills dominate the landscape. These hills, with their rugged and imposing presence, have stood the test of time, witnessing the evolution of the Earth over millennia. They are not just a geographical feature, but a testament to the enduring power of nature. These ancient mountains rise from the desert floor like sleeping giants. Their sheer size and grandeur are awe-inspiring, making one feel both insignificant and profoundly connected to the Earth. The mountains seem to whisper the secrets of the past, inviting us to listen and learn. Their slopes are carved by wind and time. Over countless years, the elements have sculpted these hills into their current form, creating intricate patterns and formations that tell a story of resilience and change. Each crevice and ridge is a chapter in the geological history of our planet. They offer a glimpse into the geological history of our planet. The terrain is harsh, unforgiving, and yet it holds a certain allure. The stark beauty of the Chagai Hills is a reminder of the raw power of nature and the delicate balance that sustains life in such extreme conditions. Rocky outcrops dot the landscape. These outcrops, with their jagged edges and rugged surfaces, add to the dramatic scenery. They stand as silent sentinels, bearing witness to the passage of time and the relentless forces of nature that have shaped this land. Dry riverbeds snake through the valleys. These ancient waterways, now devoid of water, hint at a time when life here was different. They are like veins on the Earth's surface, telling tales of past rains and the life that once thrived here. This is a land of resilience. Despite the harsh conditions, life finds a way to endure. The flora and fauna that inhabit this region have adapted to survive in one of the most challenging environments on Earth. Their presence is a testament to the tenacity of life. Only the toughest plants and animals survive here. These species have evolved unique adaptations that allow them to thrive where others cannot. From the hardy shrubs that cling to the rocky soil to the elusive animals that navigate the arid landscape, each has a story of survival to tell. But there's beauty in this harshness. The stark contrasts and raw landscapes create a unique aesthetic that is both captivating and humbling. The interplay of light and shadow, the vibrant hues of the rocks, and the vast open skies all contribute to the rugged beauty of Chagai. The mountains glow red and orange at sunset. As the sun dips below the horizon, it casts a warm golden light over the landscape, transforming the hills into a breathtaking spectacle of color. This daily phenomenon is a reminder of the ever-changing nature of our world. The stars shine brightly in the night sky. Away from the lights of civilization, the night sky over Chagai is a canvas of twinkling stars. The clarity and brilliance of the stars here are unmatched, offering a glimpse into the vastness of the universe and our place within it. Chagai is a reminder that beauty can be found in the most unexpected places. In this rugged and remote region where life is a constant struggle, there is a profound and enduring beauty. It is a beauty that speaks to the resilience of nature and the timeless allure of the Earth's wild places. Chagai is a land of extremes. The summers are scorching hot, the winters are bitterly cold, rainfall is scarce. This is a true desert climate. Life in Chagai is a constant battle against the elements. Only the toughest survive, but the people of Chagai are resilient. They have learned to adapt to this harsh environment. They have learned to thrive in the face of adversity. Beneath the rugged exterior of Chagai lies a treasure trove of minerals. This region, often overlooked, holds within its depths a wealth of natural resources that have the potential to change the fortunes of its people and the nation. The story of Chagai is not just one of hidden riches, but also of the promise and challenges that come with them. Copper, gold, and iron ore are just some of the riches that lie hidden beneath the surface. These minerals are not only valuable in their raw form, but also play a crucial role in various industries. Copper, for instance, is essential for electrical wiring and electronics, while gold is prized for its use in jewelry and as a financial asset. Iron ore is a fundamental component in the production of steel, which is used in construction and manufacturing. These mineral deposits are a testament to the geological forces that shape this land. Over millions of years, tectonic movements, volcanic activity, and sedimentation have created a unique geological landscape rich in minerals. The layers of rock and soil tell a story of the Earth's history, revealing the processes that have concentrated these valuable resources in Chagai. Chagai's mineral wealth has the potential to transform the region. The extraction and processing of these minerals can lead to significant economic development. New infrastructure, such as roads and power lines, can be built to support mining operations, which in turn can benefit local communities by improving access to services and markets. It is a source of employment for many people. Mining operations require a diverse workforce, including geologists, engineers, technicians, and laborers. This creates job opportunities for local residents, helping to reduce unemployment and improve living standards. Training and education programs can also be developed to equip the local population with the skills needed to work in the mining industry, and it is a vital source of revenue for the country. The export of minerals can generate significant income, which can be used to fund public services such as healthcare, education, and infrastructure development. This revenue can also be reinvested in the mining sector to ensure its sustainability and growth. But these resources must be managed carefully. Sustainable mining practices are essential to minimize environmental impact and ensure that the benefits of mining are shared equitably. This includes measures to protect water sources, reduce pollution, and rehabilitate mined land. Effective management also involves transparent governance and the fair distribution of mining revenues. They must be used to benefit the people of Chagai and the nation as a whole. By investing in community development projects such as schools, hospitals, and clean water facilities, the wealth generated from mining can improve the quality of life for local residents. It is crucial that the exploitation of these resources leads to long-term sustainable development that benefits everyone. Section 5, Saindak, a copper and gold behemoth. Deep in the Chagai Hills lies Saindak. This is not just a mine, it is a giant. Saindak is one of the largest copper and gold mines in the world. Every year it produces vast quantities of these precious metals. The scale of the operation is staggering. Huge trucks rumble across the landscape. Giant machines dig deep into the earth. Saindak is a testament to human ingenuity and our ability to extract resources from even the most challenging environments. Section 6, Reko Diq, a treasure trove of copper and gold. Reko Diq, the name itself evokes a sense of mystery and wonder. This is another of Chagai's hidden treasures. Reko Diq is believed to contain one of the largest undeveloped copper and gold deposits in the world. The potential of Reko Diq is immense. It has the potential to transform the economy of Chagai and beyond, but the development of this mine must be done responsibly. It must benefit the people of the region and protect the environment. Section 7. Echoes of history, nuclear tests at Rasco Hills, the Rasco Hills. These hills bear witness to a pivotal moment in Pakistan's history. It was here in 1998 that Pakistan conducted its first nuclear tests. The world watched with bated breath. The tests at Rasco Hills sent a clear message. Pakistan was a nuclear power. The world had to take notice. These tests were a defining moment for Pakistan. They marked the country's entry into the exclusive club of nuclear powers. Section 8. The people of Chagai, a resilient few. The people of Chagai are as remarkable as the land they inhabit. They are a hardy and resourceful people. They have learned to survive in one of the harshest environments on Earth. Their spirit is unbreakable. Life in Chagai is not for the faint of heart, but the people here face each day with courage and determination. They are proud of their heritage, and they are deeply connected to their land. Section 9. Chagai, a land of contrast. Chagai, a land of stark beauty and hidden riches, a land of extremes and contrast. This is a place that stays with you long after you leave. It is a place that challenges and inspires in equal measure. Chagai is a reminder that there are still places on Earth that are largely untouched by human hands. It is a reminder that beauty can be found in the most unexpected places. And it is a reminder that the human spirit is capable of overcoming even the greatest challenges.